miniature Christmas tree, and for this we put three green pieces. Then in the second row one pink, and first row one green. In the second row again one green, first row one green. Next we'll put one pink, and in the first row one green. In the second row one green, and in the first row one green. I glue all pieces. Next row we will put 4 green pieces like this. Next row we close here one green, another green, and middle yellow piece, again one green, and we close here like this. Next row we will put 4 green pieces like this. Next row we will put one red, one green, and one red, 3 pieces like this. Next row we close again here with green piece. We put 4 green pieces. We close here like this. Next row we will put one green, one yellow, and last one green like this. Next row we will put 2 green pieces like this. Next row we close here with green piece, one red in the middle, and another one green, close here like this. Next row we will put one green, another one green, and in the end one pink like this. Next we will make a trunk for Christmas tree. Glue 3 pieces like this. We close here with 2 pieces like this. Next we put glue inside these 2 pockets and glue one piece like this. Next we will glue two edges in one pocket and another these two edges in this one pocket. Next we put glue like these four pockets and glue trunk here like this. Next glue magnet here like this.